Hello, classroom. Just letting you know a couple things as we move forward to Tuesday. There's going to be something new added to Google Classroom that I want to make you aware of. There's a quiz coming up tomorrow, and I want to give you some guidance on that. And also, I want to make a clarification on the notes that you watched for today. So, first thing, let's talk about Google Classroom, and actually just talk about your responsibilities as students in general. You're going to have two things that you need to check every day, Monday through Friday, in our honors class. The first one is the one you're very familiar with, and that is the calendar on the website. Please make sure you are checking all of your assignments that are listed on that calendar. And something new you should see on there is a link for you to go into a Zoom meeting every day, Monday through Friday, from 3 to 4 o'clock if you would like tutoring or help, or just want somebody to talk to and say hi to. So that's the first thing. Go to your calendar on the website. Second thing is, every day you've got to go into Google Classroom. That's where all your posts are going to go. That's where your quiz information is going to go in. Any other thing we're going to be doing in class is going to be there as well. I'm providing you with links. You're going to notice specifically on your assignments from your textbook, I'm giving you a link to the odd answers so you can find them very easily and check your work to make sure you understand the material. So look at the links, read the descriptions, make sure if it says you need to upload a document or upload a photo, make sure you are doing that because those are being graded when they are due, and I am posting those in your school loop grade. So there's the two things you need to make sure you do every single day. A new thing you're going to find in Classroom is a thing called Checkin, and basically what it is it's my way of knowing that you've gone into Classroom and actually looked at your assignments and know what's expected of you. So each day you're going to see a new assignment show up each day called Checkin, and it's going to ask you really a simple question, something that you could either answer that you know already or something you could quickly Google and find out if you don't know the answer. So answer that question, submit it to me, and I'll be checking that log and I'll be transferring those and giving you points in your homework grade in School Loop for showing me that you are checking in Monday through Friday. So there's the new things or procedures and new things we are covering from this day on. There's a quiz tomorrow. I want to make sure you know how it's going to work. You'll go into Edulastic and take that quiz first time and submit it. The next day, which will be Wednesday, I will open up the scores so you can go back into that quiz and verify which questions you got wrong. And then on Thursday, I'll give you the opportunity to go back into that quiz and retake it. Your final grade for the quiz will be your retake grade. If you take it only once, that'll be your score. If you take it a second time, I will take your second score as your grade. Now, I want to make sure you know I am going to require you from here on in to take a photo of your work and post it into Classroom. So, along with the quiz link in Classroom, you'll see an assignment where you can actually upload your photo. Class, your organization rules should be the same as always for assignments. Name and period number in pen at the top. Fold your paper vertically so you have two columns. Clearly write down your question numbers and your work, and make sure you are drawing diagrams if there are diagrams. And I need to see specifically, class, I've got to see your work so I know that you understand how to do the problems. So good luck on that quiz tomorrow. Take advantage of the retake on Thursday. This is a great chance for you to boost your quiz scores this semester. Let me see, was there one more thing? We got quiz, we got check-in. Oh, there is one more thing. I need to make a clarification on the video that I posted for you for this module. And here is the clarification. On one of your video slides, it explained to you how to convert from degrees to radians. Now I want to clarify this. In the video, I explained to you that this is the length of the arc in radians that's 30 degrees long, but that is for a unit circle. That means a circle where the radius is equal to 1. So that means if this is what you found the radians of 30 degrees is, and the question in your assignment tells you that your radius is 7 meters, then to get your final radian measurement, you will multiply this fraction by 7. So it would be 7 pi over 6. If your radius was 3 feet, then it'd be 3 pi over 6 feet, and you can simplify this. So when you convert from radians to degrees, there's no such problem. You just give the degrees. But when you convert from degrees to radians, you have to realize you need to multiply this final answer by the radius of the circle that you're working with, and that will give you the length of your arc in radians, and don't forget to write the unit of measure. So that should cover everything. Hope you guys are doing well. Any questions, you know where to find me. 3 o'clock every weekday. Come on into the Zoom room. I can bring up any assignment you want me to. We can go over questions together. Class, have a great evening.